Hello everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start with MailerLite for free to build your email list and send newsletters. First, go to the MailerLite website and click Sign Up Free. Use your email address to create a new account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation link from MailerLite and click it Next. You'll be prompted to set up your profile. Add your name and a brief description of your business or website. Now, you need to create your first subscriber list. Click Subscribers in the menu, then Create New List. Give it a name, like Newsletter Subscribers. After creating your list, it's time to make a sign-up form. Go to the Forms section and choose Create Form. You can use a simple embedded form or a pop-up for your website. Customize the form with your branding. Then copy and paste the code onto your website or link to it directly. 2. Send your first campaign. Go to Campaigns and click Create Campaign. Write a subject line. Add your content and select your subscriber list to send it to. And that's it. You're now ready to grow your audience and communicate with them directly through email. If this helps you get started with email marketing. Let me know what you'll share in your first newsletter down below, and I'll see you in the next one.